Mom, who is this? Come and show these things.
It's me.
It's you.
Yes.
Who is drawing it?
Me.
You draw these things.
Yes.
Okay. What is your hair, Mom?
Yes.
Okay. What is your eyes? This is your eyes?
This.
What is your hand? This is your hand. What is your finger?
Finger.
This is your finger.
Yes.
Okay, fine. What is your leg, Mom? What is your shoes? What is your nose, Mom?
Nice.
Okay, that's good. Good, fantastic. So, what is this, Mom? What is this?
This. A.
A. And what is this?
সানজেটের নিচে একটা টেবিল আছে দেখো টেবিলের
D.
This is not D, Mom. What is this?
B.
B. And what is this?
C.
And what is this, Mom?
H.
H. Good, good, good girl. Okay, this is Amira. This is Ayat. Thank you, Mom. Take it.
You're welcome.
Wait a minute, Mom. And you draw another one. What is this, Mom?
Daddy.
This is Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, what is your daddy's hair? What is your daddy's eyes? Okay, what is your daddy's nose? What is your daddy's mouth? What is your daddy's hand? Okay, what is your daddy's leg?
দেখেন সবাই কি করছে এরা তার বাবাকে বলছে
And what is this, Mom? D. And what is this? A. And what is this, Mom? D. And what is this? Y. Let's see. This is Ayat's daddy and me. It's me, Mom.
Yes.
Okay, you draw it today.
Yes.
Thank you. বন্ধ করে দিছো?